In this segment of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll briefly discuss how you can extend the functionality of Microsoft Teams by adding various apps to the Teams platform. On the left-hand side of Microsoft Teams, there's this Apps option. And right above the Apps option, there are these three dots. That means that there are some additional added apps. So these would be apps that didn't make it here on the left-hand panel for your icons, but yet they are installed as part of your account. So if I wanted, let's say, the OneNote or any of these apps that already show up in here, click on them to open them, I'll be able to simply click on it and it will open it up. If you want to have this always show up on the left-hand side, you can right-click on it and then select Pin. If there are other applications that you're interested in having in your computer, you can simply click here on Apps and then locate the application that you want to install and integrate as part of Microsoft Teams. And notice there are a lot of categories, whether it's education, applications, and even workflows. So let's say I'm interested in approvals. I can search here for approvals and click on it, click to add it, and now approvals has been added here on the left-hand panel. If you want to pin it for future access to have it easily accessible, you can right-click on it and then pick Pin. Otherwise, you'll have to look on the three dots for more apps. You can add an app for you to use yourself as part of the platform, or you can add the app to particular teams in the platform. So for example, I have here distance learning. I could have added that to be used by that team and assign it to the team. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.